Hi everybody, and this is the way to install the JAS-39 by Whisky actual. Navigate to GitHub to this repo. The link will be provided below. Go to releases, click here. Go all the way down the page and download each one of these zip files. You can download the source code, but most of the time this will fail. So I would suggest strongly to download the zips. Once you have the zips on your desktop, just extract them into the location of your OVGME. Extract all. The AI file will contain the plane plus the weapons. If you don't own the JEF, you can still download this mod and you will see JAS-39s in the place of the JEF. Once it's unzipped, you can delete it. Liveries is optional. You can download it to have more options, but if you prefer not to, you can omit this file. Finally, the player is basically everything that is for the cockpit. So the model, the textures, and also the avionics that were modified. So if you want to be able to fly the plane, you will need to install this file also. Once it's downloaded, you can delete. If it comes like this, just go back and paste it out because you should be able to see within it core mods for the AI. Liveries also goes into core mods and player goes into mods. If you don't use OVGME, you could basically install the content of mods and core mods into your main DCS install, which will overwrite the files. Then you would need to do a repair if you dislike the mod or if you want to uninstall it. Once this is done with OVGME, just activate them and launch your DCS. I did not test this mod with other mods currently, so it could have conflicts, but with my knowledge, it should not have any impacts with the major other mods that are used, like the A4 and the Blackhawk and other ones. If the mod was correctly installed, you can scroll and you will see that you have a new icon for your JF17. You can select it and put it as your wallpaper. And if you go to any instant mission or whatever server you're going to be going on, when you're going to be launching, instead of having the JF17, you will have the JAS-39 with the JAS-39 cockpit. There we go. Hopefully this helps and enjoy the mod.